Who doesn't love fresh donuts? Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. In this recipe video, I am sharing with you my ricotta donuts made with a little splash of some Bacardi rum. You guys are gonna love making these donuts. They cook so super fast and they are sure to please and impress all of your family and friends. Before we jump into it, don't forget to go to that Blackstone Products YouTube channel and subscribe and invite those friends and family to do the same. Now, let me show you how to make these ricotta donuts that you guys are gonna just fall in love with. These ricotta donuts are such a favorite. They couldn't be any easier to make. They are so nice and crisp on the outside, and when you break these open, they are so light and fluffy, yet they are dense and somewhat heavy, so they're the perfect combination of everything because of that ricotta cheese. So we'll start off with that. A good brand of ricotta whole milk cheese is what you'll need. We'll do 1 cup of ricotta cheese mixed with 1 large egg. To that, we're gonna add in a splash or 1 tablespoon of white rum. Bacardi is a fabulous choice for this recipe. To that, we're gonna zest 1 large lemon. You could do anywhere from half of a lemon to a whole lemon to get that pop of freshness into these donuts. Give those wet ingredients a whisk together or a mix together and set them aside. In a second bowl, we will mix together our dry ingredients. I have flour, white sugar, and baking powder. To our bowl, we'll add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Give that a quick mix. Slowly add those dry ingredients half at a time to our wet ingredients and give it a mix. We want to combine all of these ingredients together. This batter is going to be somewhat sticky and thick, so don't look for a thin batter. This is supposed to be nice and thick and sticky. Once that is combined together, on our Blackstone, I have preheating a cast iron skillet with some vegetable oil. You want this vegetable oil to reach about 300 to 325 degrees. Anywhere in between those temperatures work, and the new Blackstone instant read thermometer is the perfect tool for telling me what temperature our oil is at. Once our oil is heated, I have 2 spoons I'm going to work with, just forming some donut balls or donut rounds, using the 2 spoons, moving that dough back and forth until it's somewhat in a circle. Drop them down into the hot oil. A good tip for getting this sticky dough to release instantly off of your spoon is give your spoon a quick dip into that hot oil before dipping it into your dough to scoop your balls and form them. Once these donuts hit that hot oil, you want them to cook on each side for about 4 minutes. You don't want to rush it, so let them gradually turn a golden brown, making sure that your oil is not too hot. Using chopsticks, which is my favorite tool, to help give them a flip over once the first side is completely golden brown. You want to be sure to give the inside of these donuts some time to cook through. Once they are fried up and done, I'm going to remove them and place them onto a paper-lined plate. This way some of that oil can drain off. Once all of my donuts are fried up completely, which should get you about a dozen donuts out of these measurements, we'll plate them up nice and pretty and then zhuzh them up with some powdered sugar all over the top of these donuts, which just adds such a sweet flavor and makes these look so appetizing. Then you can just go crazy and watch them fly off the plate because they are so delicious. I hope you guys try these. Do know that if you cook them through, that rum will cook off completely, making these perfectly safe and delicious for the whole family. I can't wait to watch you guys all making these donuts. When you do, because I know you will, be sure to post a picture or a video and tag Blackstone Products and tag Blackstone Betty. We cannot wait to see. Don't forget to go to that Blackstone Products YouTube channel and subscribe, share the videos, leave us comments, and don't forget that thumbs up. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in some donuts soon.